Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Obese from Team Search. As you guys may or may not know that I won a team called Team Search, and we have a partner team called Wix Uprising. So we're playing Zone Wars today with some of my members and some of our partners members. Did it make any sense? Some of our partnered teams members. So our partner team has about 6k and our team has about over 30k on Instagram. So obviously you wanna, step up to the next level. So that's why they are grinding for our team. Our partner team's players are pretty much grinding for our team. I'm pretty bad at explaining stuff. So we're playing box fights, and we decided to pick one of them up because they're grinding for us for a long time. So me and my co-leader, Ancient, TS Ancient, wanted to give them a challenge. By the way, Ancient manages the other team, so when she calls them her babies, that's gonna make sense later on the video. Me and my co-leader wanted to give them a challenge and give them a chance to be in Search, be a part of the best Fortnite family ever out there. So she gave them a challenge. If they win the next box fight match, they're gonna be in Search, and just watch how it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
How many Wix members are in here again?
Four, including me.
You said 4.
Yeah, finish this, but next round after this one, whichever one of my Wix babies wins, I'll recruit you to Search.
Really?
Yes.
What?
Yeah. Next round though, next round though.
No, you're lying.
Yes.
After, no, deadass.
They're not lying.
We will
Did
recruit
not
you
that
to
was
Search.
Kids, I'm the fucking leader, and I'm saying yes. She's not lying.
And I'm the co-leader and I'm talking to him about it.
Ooh.
Let's go, Josiah.
Wix members, whoever wins
Only Wix members.
this
shit.
game
Oh my gosh,
Wait, are we
This
allowed
game-
to play or
Bro,
are
I'm
we just gonna
gets
let
to
them
be in
fight?
Search.
Is it only
No.
Are
them?
we just gonna let them
Make
fight?
it-
I'm not WK.
Alright guys, I'm switching to game chat. I'm sweating my dick off. Be right back.
FaceTime
Whichever
me.
one of Wix members wins.
Wait, so do we still play? Like,
Yeah, you can still
Search.
play.
Oh, okay.
They're not gonna make it easy on them.
So what if a search member wins? It just
Well,
happens.
then let's do it.
well, next round I'll win, I guess.
Wix. I'll join Wix if I win.
Is it this round or next round?
This round.
It's okay, I always get 200 pumped.
I just found a pump chair.
Yeah.
Rory, you're shaking.
Yeah, cause
Me too.
an RC
Agent is
is
about
on the line.
Yeah. Bro, I gotta win this, bro.
By the way, I'm recording this for a YouTube video. For Search.
Oh, yeah.
You should die. So you can spectate them and get content for the video.
Or I can just win this and upload it. That's gonna boost my ego,
No, but like, just die on purpose.
No, that's not fair. I wanna make it hard for them. That just shows they deserve it.
You're gonna get
Sure,
200
you're
pumped by
sure.
one of my Wix babies.
Ah, fuck.
Josiah.
Win this. I mean, if they don't win this, they have another round, right?
Nope.
Yeah.
This is the only
Oh,
one.
okay.
Okay. Who's still alive out of my Wix babies? Rara?
Chris,
Aura and
Percy?
Nah, I died.
Rara?
Nah, Percy's
oh,
dead.
wait.
Oh, Percy
Oh,
said?
what is
Oh, so it's just Rara?
Yeah, no, it's Rara and Blindbot Ollie.
Nah, it's only well, Rara is Chris.
Oh, well, I don't know. I know Rara's still
one.
alive.
Just focus on who's the reindeer skin.
Don't focus.
don't-
Don't just focus one person. That's not fair.
Oh my god, I got focused.
No.
No! No!
I lagged so hard. And I was literally with ball.
Oh.
Oh,
Is that it?
that's
Everyone else is dead?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
only
Ah.
Good
Guys,
statement,
since it didn't go how we planned it to,
GG Saul. GG Saul. Can I join?
we're gonna
GG
Wait, we're doing
Saul.
another one?
be quiet.
Guys,
We're gonna give you guys another chance, and Rollers get to be part of it.
Yes.
Yes!
Rollers get
What'd
to
you
be
say?
part
Wait,
of it
what?
too.
What about
I
Rara?
cannot see anything.
Oh, okay.
You spray me first. Alright, chill. So
Yeah, Ollie, shut the floor up.
Love you.
No.
Dang it, Chant, really? Y'all were both, you and Mraz were on me. Dang, Mraz. Dang.
Yo, you better. Switch him.
Ah, dude. Oh my. I'm out. They call me fucking. Look at my escape plan.
Oh my gosh,
Chris,
Rara.
there's 2 other people.
How many boost numbers?
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? It's I think
It's
it's
only
Rara,
Rara
Rara.
left.
It's just Rara.
Rara.
There's 2 other
Rara.
people.
Rara.
He snuck from
Bro, I'm
behind.
supporting, bro. I believe in you.
Let's
Dang,
go,
I was
Chris.
rooting for
Yes,
rooting for
sir.
AJ, but he's dead.
You should root for Chubbs though.
Come on, Chub Cell. Push this dude. Come on, Rara. You scared? You
Rara.
scared?
Oh!
Nice.
Look at some of the emeralds.
Yes,
Oh my
Rara.
god.
Let's go, Rara.
Oh my god.
You got this, Rara.
I'm so scared. Hold up. I have 6 people watching me. I'm scared.
It's okay. It's so.
Good
Oh,
shot.
yeah.
18
Oh
HP.
my God.
18 HP.
Yeah, you're winning this.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Let's go.
T.S. Rara?
Yeah.
Yes.
Indeed. Let's go, Rara.
Let's go, Rara.
Yo, he's been in TS Junior too. Yo, Rara.
Wait, is he talking?
Mia, add him to the group chat.
I am.
And add him to the
Oh
roster
my
too.
god.
Add him to the
Let's
I am.
roster.